I think I have an obsession with crystal. I don't know, you tell me. My name is Jamela. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and I hope you click that subscribe button, and welcome to the family. And to my family members, you know I appreciate you for being here with me. Now let's just jump into my little crystal fixation, okay? I'm going to call it that. But I found these nice pair of crystal salt and pepper shakers, and I just couldn't resist, and they were only $3. So I ditched the other ones, and then I put these on the counter and loved them. And then there comes my toothpick holder, which is crystal, and not forgetting my ring dish, which is a crystal holder. And now I have this glass, well, it's not crystal, but it is a glass water dispenser that I placed on my counter, and I have to tell you, I'm in love. I started using the zero water filtration pitcher, and it would sit on my counter. Then I saw where someone else was using a glass piece as her water dispenser. I said, wait a minute, let me jump on board with that too. And it is perfect. Do you think I have a fetish for crystal now? If not, you're going to strangle me, because I know I have a fetish for glassware. And a friend of mine went out and found these beautiful glasses for me. I was amazed. So for fall, you know, I couldn't wait to change the bar cart and add in some color. And those cranberry Culver glasses were the right touch. Look at how they look on the bar cart, all nice and clean and sparkly. Now this style is called the roly-poly, which is a cute little phrase for a glass. But guys, listen, they have been on my bucket list for sure. And for fall, it gave it a nice touch of color. A few weeks ago, I went to the big grab yard sale and saw these candle holders. Now I love the shape. I didn't know what they were until I flipped them out. Well, I couldn't tell until I cleaned them because they were so dusty. And when I flipped them over and I saw that it had that tag on it. Wait a minute, these are Aurifors. So needless to say, I got those for $15. Again, back to the crystal fixation. But this was really pure luck, because I didn't know they were crystal until I cleaned them. And I just liked the style of them and the shape. So a little something on the dining room table. So I think I'm going to, at this point, raise my hand and say, yes, my name is Jamela, and I am a Crystalholic. And I'm going to try my best to recover. And moving along, this year I'll be celebrating the last of my 50s birthday. And I received a special gift from someone to toast the event with, and I'd like to share that with you. And this is from someone who I met on Instagram, and we became friends. But the history there is it's just amazing how you connect with people that you've never connected with. And when she saw how much I was into crystal and knew that I would appreciate it, she sent me these along with some vinyl albums that I love, jazz. And I had just been so appreciative of her. We became what we call ourselves cousins now. So it's a blessing that I met her. I don't want to tell you who she is, because she likes to remain anonymous. So I call her my male fairy. But anyway, let me just show you what she sent. So, and this was a set that Waterford did a collection back in 2000. So they're 24 years old, this set. And it was for happiness, love, health, prosperity, and peace. So aren't they beautiful? Very beautiful. and I can't wait to use them. Well, to toast in my 59th birthday, it'll be a special occasion, and it'll be extra special, even though, that's the day that I laid to rest my mother. But thank you for making this day a little more special. Now, I'm not much of a drinker for champagne, but I do like the Bellini, the peach Bellini. So I think that's what I'm going to toast my birthday with and make it a little special. And these glasses are just so beautiful. Again, yes, I raised my hand. I'm a Crystalholic, but I'm sure there are far worser things to be addicted to. And the fact that someone out there thought of me to send this, I can't help but make it a more special day for me and my sister. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. And always remember, beauty is being home and loving it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop me a comment, like, and share.